Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another workout session. Of course, I'm starting with the Chloe Ting warm-up, and I want to add that as of today, as of the time of this video, which is June 1st 2021, I already lost 10 pounds. I started my journey, of course, in April 1st of 2021, and then Ramadan fasting started right in the middle of April, and so for a month I didn't work out, I didn't do anything. I kind of lost like maybe 2 pounds maybe during the fasting, and it's well, a little bit like, I don't know. Anyway, I am now 10 pounds down, and I'm doing everything I can to go 20 pounds more down. So yeah, I try to work out like 3 times a week or 4 times a week. It just depends really. And yeah, I have also gained more strength, so much so that I can lift heavier now. I used to use a 5.5 pound plate for my workout. Now I'm using the 8.5, I think 8.5 pound plate, and it's really been helpful at getting me stronger. I hope to increase as time goes on, and that is definitely what everyone should be doing. And now I've definitely added more exercises, as you'll see very soon. So now I'm still doing my warm-up. It's really good for you to do some warm-up, and it's a way to get your cardio in. So this is one way that I get my cardio in, plus going for walks, just go for 30 minutes walk in the evening 2 to 3 times a week if I can find the time to do that. And I think this yeah, so that's what I do. Now I'm doing my upper body workouts. I've shown this in my last video, and if you want to watch that, I'll leave a link down below. So I'm just doing upper body, trying to lose the weight up there. Mostly it's my upper body that I want to lose weight. But anyway, let's just see here. It's really hard to leave this plate because I said I went bigger. This is a lot heavier than the last time, but my arms are a lot stronger now, so I'm really happy about that. So that means hopefully I'm gaining muscle by eating plenty of protein. I cannot stress how much protein is needed in building of muscle and losing fat. As you're losing fat when you're weightlifting, you're building muscle, and protein is needed in that process. So you need to have a lot of protein. That's why I have a protein shake that I drink. So I'm just doing the arm roll. I think this is called arm roll. If you're using the dumbbell, this looks much better. It's much easier to do this exercise with the dumbbell. But this is what I have, and this is what I'm using. This is also for my upper arm. Really interesting, really. I'm just doing a little dance of encouragement right there. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how hard it is to just keep going. It's a mental thing, It's all in your mind, all in your head. You just have to keep encouraging yourself, really. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm showing this set all over again. I'm doing 10 reps of each set. So I do 3 sets, then 10 reps of each exercise. And yeah, you have to rest between the exercises, between each set. You have to rest between each sets because your arms get tired, and it might not really show in this video that I'm resting, but I am resting. And now I'm doing for my side, my chest, and I'm going to be doing some squats. I'm using the big plate again. For my sides, I'm using 2 of the plates. Just using 2 together. I'm really sweating at this point. Gosh, although it's summer, so it's really hot inside. So that's the chest exercise. I really do need to lose upper body fat. And I'm also using 2 plates for this squat, 2 8.5 plates, so that makes it about 16 something, maybe 17 pounds. Some more sides, just showing you the sets again, just so you can be familiar with it. Just using 2 plates together because I find that one is a bit light for this exercise. Chest again. The squats are so not easy, like seriously. Oh my god. Sometimes I use the barbell for my squats, but for today this is what I'm using. And don't forget your water break. It's really advisable to hydrate as you're working out. So now I'm doing my abdominal stomach exercises just to strengthen my core. It wouldn't really help me reduce fat on my stomach, but it's just to strengthen it. For you to reduce fat overall, you have to be on a calorie deficit, meaning that the amount of food you eat and the amount of energy your body uses in a day has to be, has to be of a certain level. So you eat less than the amount of energy you use during the day, and that's calorie deficit. If you eat more food than your body actually is using in a day, then you're just going to keep storing the fat basically. So yeah, I just want to lose overall body fat and strengthen some muscles along the way. These are leg raises. And I think that's like the bicycle, something of that nature. So I'm doing deadlifts. Oh my, this is a whole bunch of plates and it's really heavy, to be honest, but yeah, I could still add more, but I just decided to start with this one first. Again, water break, really needed. Deadlifts supposedly uses a lot of muscles in the body, all your lower body muscles, your back muscle, your glutes, your arm. So like it really does help target so much on your body part. Same as squats too, doing squats. And now this is the exercise that I do every other day, alternative days. So I'm just giving you a sneak peek here. This is me doing squats with a barbell, basically. And if you want to see more,
I'm very, very tired. Very sweaty, very tired. And that's enough for today.